Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tuesday, May 21st. I sent out the new edition of MMT Trader yesterday, as I always do on Monday. If you want to get a copy of that, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial. You could also purchase my courses there. I have the Forex video course. That's a 25-hour intensive video course instruction on trading Forex. Covers everything from MMT principles and concepts to Forex trading strategy and mental game, okay, how to have the proper mental game. I have the Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement video course on there. That's $99. It's probably the best $99 you'll ever spend. That will teach you how to go over probably the greatest economic and also market useful resource. It's all free. The government, the Treasury posts that on their website every day at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Just having that understanding of that, that's like having the checkbook of the United States government. You see all the deposits, all the withdrawals on a daily, monthly, yearly basis. You will amaze your friends and colleagues with the information you have. You will stun them. They will not believe you, and you can show it to them. And of course, there is the MMT Value Stock Selection course that I have on my website as well. All those courses can be purchased at pitbulleconomics.com, and you can get all three for the special price of $295. Now, let's talk about something I find very interesting and kind of amusing, actually. Turkey, the country of Turkey, which has been showing itself as probably one of the only places, believe it or not, that understands MMT, modern monetary theory. The Turkish central bank, in an effort to curb inflation, cut interest rates. Did you get that? It cut interest rates. Now, this came to the utter bewilderment of the mainstream economics community and the media and the press. I saw articles and commentary. Turkey cut its interest rate to battle inflation? Like, of course, they understand it the other way, the media does, which is the wrong way. Actually, Turkey has it right. Rate cuts equate to price reductions, since the costs of all goods and services reflect the cost of credit. And Turkey's President Erdogan, he understands that, and he's been saying this for a long time. Hey, if you want inflation to come down, central bank, you have to cut the rates. And that's what they did. And by the way, on the flip side of that, it should be no surprise that all during the period when Turkey was raising rates and raising rates and raising rates, guess what? Inflation kept going up. Why? Because rate hikes equate to price hikes. The cost of goods and services reflect the cost of credit. So now they are doing the correct thing. And by the way, this will create a rally in the Turkish lira. I actually bought some Turkish lira today. The rate cut is going to be bullish for the Turkish lira. Lower inflation is good for the currency. You will see that manifest over a period of time. But I just find this to be fascinating. I mean, who's looking at Turkey as the model of economic understanding? Nobody, really. I mean, everybody looks to these backward, main large central banks, the Fed, the Bank of Japan, the ECB. They all got it wrong. They all got it wrong. But here is little Turkey saying, hey, we know how to fix inflation. We have to cut interest rates, which is exactly the right thing to do. So this is textbook MMT, all right? If you want to put it to use, it's a freebie I'm throwing out there. Buy the Turkish lira. Great move on the part of Turkey. And remember, when the central banks start to do these things, whether they raise rates or cut rates, it's usually not a one-time thing. A rate cut will beget further rate cuts, and so on and so forth, just as rate hikes usually equate to more rate hikes. So expect to see more rate cuts. Expect to see this succeed. All right. You will see Turkish inflation come down. You will see the Turkish lira rally. That's it for now. See you later. Bye-bye.